A sudden landslide.
Nobody anticipated that it would cut loose and bury that entire village.
Some victims are buried alive. Others narrowly escape.
I saw a gigantic wall of mud, and then we were hit.
Houses were exploding.
Oh my gosh.
Are there any injuries?
Yes, there's people yelling for help.
A whole community is cut off.
What's going on with the highway? I'm hearing rumors that there's a mudslide.
A neighborhood wiped from the face of the earth is invisible to rescuers.
All I could see was just a vast wasteland. There were no homes, there were no remnants of homes.
Volunteers risk their lives to extract the missing from the mud.
It was so eerie. We could hear moaning. We walked past 4 bodies.
He was just drenched and shivering and shaking.
What could have triggered the tragedy?
Where's the baby?
I thought I was losing him. And I'd say, stay with me, bud.
Can science explain how Earth can turn to liquid in an instant?
Is everybody feeling ready for go time here?
Okay, we ready for water?
Here it goes.
Something like 22 inches of rainfall. It's all.
Hello everybody, good morning audience. A natural disaster is a natural event resulting in great impact to the human population. We need to know we are now entering the rainy season. So many people suffering from disaster, one of which a landslide. Here I will be interviewing people who become victims of landslide.
What was the chronology of the landslide disaster?
It was raining really severe once, and that house I live in the area of the racing, and therefore I often it be landslide.
What do you do after the completion of this disaster?
We as citizens will be more vigilant and terracing.
In addition to post any assistance given to the government,
the form of food and medicine.
Do you know the disaster occurred and how do you reach?
At that time we were sleeping. We were very surprised to hear our.
Are there any members of you who have not been found?
Alhamdulillah, here is no all this found.
Where the survivors were evacuated?
The common pass across the road, quite far from the skin.
Of our interview, so thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
It's one of the disasters that occurred in our country. We as citizens of Indonesia must keep our environment in order to avoid a disaster natural. Thank you for your attention. That's an interview from us, and see you.
Perjalanan ini terasa sangat menyedihkan. Sayang engkau tak duduk di sampingku kawan. Banyak cerita yang mestinya kau saksikan di tanah kering bebatuan. Oh, 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 oh. Tubuhku terguncang dihempas batu jalanan. Hati tergetar menampak kering rerumputan.